Hey everyone, it's getting pretty exciting over here at the Hawktail project. We're just about ready to start installing drywall. You can see it sitting there in the background. So I'll tell you a little bit about this house and how we built it. So we used our preferred building methods, and one of which is the ice panel system. Another is our rigid ceiling detail that you see up there. And then the ICF foundation plus rigid insulation detail under the slab. And the reason we're doing all this is I truly believe in building higher quality homes, not just high performance, but homes that'll last longer and perform with quality. So what we're getting with these walls here, they're a 7.5 inch thick ice panel. They're the GPS, which gets us an effective R35. So if we compare that to a 2x6 wall, a 2x6 wall is an effective R16. And then with our ceiling here, we have 4 inches of EPS insulation lining continuously under the trusses before any interior partitions or mechanical goes in. And over top of that EPS is blow-in insulation again of about another R60. So we get close to an R80 roof, which easily can be bumped in R100 if you want. Then in the basement, we end up with our ICF foundation. And ICF foundations are simply just the way to go. Don't waste your money and time on conventional foundations. With ICF, you get insulation to the interior and exterior that's continuous. Unlike your conventional foundation, where it's concrete exposed from the interior to the exterior. And then with a wood wall framed on the interior, and there's always frost and moisture getting trapped between that wood framed wall that's on your interior and that cold concrete foundation. And then what we have under the basement floor is 4 inches of continuous EPS insulation, just like you've seen on the ceiling above, but it's under our concrete floor. And we do that again just to make sure we have that continuous blanket of insulation. So everywhere we go in this house, it is EPS or GPS insulation touching each other and connecting. There's very few points where we do not have a connection of insulation. And why is that important? It's kind of like the difference of wearing a onesie versus a holey sweater. The onesie is going to keep you nice and warm when zipped up, but that holey sweater, she's a little chilly on a windy day. So a house is no different. Control that air leakage, control that thermal loss, and you'll have a comfortable home. If you want to see this house or any other house that we're building, feel free to reach out to us to schedule a walkthrough prior to finishes going in. We're always happy to show what's behind the walls.